Good morning all of you. I am Snigdha Mahanti. I teach English in Vivekananda Public School. Let us today we will start our English literature lesson 6. Topic is your the lion and the hare. Okay. Today we will discuss page number 38. So all the students please take out your English literature book, open page number 30. Before going to page number 30, I just want to ask, who is the king of jungle? Yes, lion. And what is his name? Vasuraka. Okay. What he is doing every day? Yes, every day he is killing some small animal. What the other animals are doing then? What they are thinking? What they offer to the king of the jungle? They offer that don't kill us more. We will send one animal every day for your lunch. Then what happened? Every day everyone is going there. Then one day who is there? One small hare going for the lunch. And what is the hare name? Yes, the name of hare name is Hiru. When Hiru direct go to the Vasuraka's den, at that time what Vasuraka did? What he did? He is getting hungry. Why? Because Hiru was late. Now tell me students, why Hiru was late? Why? What he is doing on the way when he was going to the lion's den? He is just peeping out in the well where he saw his own image below the water. Okay? Then what happened? Lion ate the hare. Now we will discuss. Okay? Next. Vasuraka roared with anger. I am the king of this jungle. Show me this lion. Why Vasuraka saw? Tell this. What happened? Because when Vasuraka saw a small hare, he said that you are so small, you are unfit to my lunch. And why are you coming late? At that time what Hiru says? Hiru said that it is not my fault. If I am insufficient for your lunch, if I am small, that is not my fault. But I can give you 3 more hares. Then what? Why he is not bringing? Lion also interested to know why he will eat only one. He has a greedy to eat more animal, more hares. And at that time he also want to know what happened. Then what Hiru said? Hiru said that he meet one big animal, big lion, who told that he is the king of the jungle, and he took all the hare. What happened? Then Vasuraka roared angry, and he told that, show me this lion. I am only one king of this jungle. Other one nobody will be the king of the jungle. Okay? I will kill him and have him for lunch. He shook his mane and stamped his paws. Hiru took him the well. What happened? When lion says that, when he heard there is another big lion is getting hungry, and that I will kill him and have him, eat him for my lunch, and I will stamp it with my paws and tell Hiru, we will go there. I want to see that big animal. Next, what happened? Okay, the other lion is hiding in the well. He said, what happened? Hiru is doing a clever thing. What is that? He took the lion near the well and said, the lion is hiding in the well. The lion is hiding in the well. There is a plenty of water in the well. How one lion will be hiding? But here Vasuraka is getting angry. He can't think anything. He can't understand the cleverness of the small hare. Next, please sir, come closer to well and look down. What happened? Hiru says that, sir, please come closer to the well and just look it down. Then you can see that big lion. Okay. Next, Vasuraka saw big angry lion staring at him. What happened? When Vasuraka looked down the water, what happened? His own image is reflecting, but he can't understand. He thought that there is another big angry lion who is staring him to him, is watching him. Next, he roared in anger, jumped into the well and was drowned. What happened? He is getting angry and roared that I will kill you, you will call me, and jumped into the well and drowned. When lion jumped into the well, what happened? Is he come back? Let us know. Hiru went happily hope, skippity skip back to his jungle. Friends, the news of Vasuraka's death made everyone happy. There was peace in the jungle. What happened? When Hiru saw that Vasuraka jumped into the well, he is sure that Vasuraka dead. He hippity hop, skippity skip, dancing and happily just go to the jungle, went to the jungle. There he informed all his friends that Vasuraka dead. When other animals knew that Vasuraka dead, they all are happy and live very peacefully. Okay? Now tell me students, in this story, what you learn? Yes, if you are the head of the family, you take care of the family. First you give food to your family members, then you will eat. But what Vasuraka did? He first eat his own members, and when others were complain and give them that one animal, he also agreed. And when he got one hair, in between that he is not peace. He has a greedy to eat more. That greedy will take him to the well. At the end, he will die. So, whatever you will get, when you get anything, accept it and have peace. If you greedy more, then you will be in a just like Vasuraka's life. Okay? Now students, all of you open your page number 39. Today we will do bookwork A. Okay? Do as directed. Okay? Vasuraka was a cruel lion. Right? True or false? Tell me students, he is a kind animal or cruel animal? Why he is not kind? Because he is eating his members. As a king of the lion, he must take care of other animal. But he didn't take care. So what is he? Vasuraka was a cruel animal. It's true. Right? True. Okay. Number 2. Vasuraka killed deer and other animals name. Tell me students. Deer, boars, B-O-A-R, yes, boars. Write it in your book. Rabbits and visions, V-I-S-O-N-S. Okay, complete the sentence. Next, come to number 3. Here tick the correct answer. The animals went to meet Vasuraka because they wanted to see their king. No. They loved him. No. They wanted to tell him not to kill so many animals. Now tell me students, which answer is your correct answer? C. They wanted to tell him not to kill so many animals. Okay, not to kill so many animals. Write it. The correct answer is your C. Just make a tick. Then come to number 4. What did Hiru see on his way to the lion's den? What did Hiru see? Hiru saw a whale. All of you remember? A whale. And what he did? He peeped into it. What he saw? He saw himself. In the water below. Write it. He saw himself in the water below. Okay? Then come to number 5. Vasurekha saw another lion himself in the wall. When you just look at the water, at that time what you saw? Another person or your image in the wall. Okay? That is himself. Tick himself. Okay? Tick himself. Then come to number 6. Were the other animals in the jungle happy to hear about Vasurekha's death? Because why this question? Vasurekha killing other animals. When they got the news that Vasurekha died, they will happy or not? Yes. The other animals, write it. The other animals in the jungle, were happy to hear about whose death? Vasurekha's death. Okay? All of you complete? Okay? Today, first one is your true, second one is your false, second answer is boars, rabbit, bison, third one is tick number C, fourth one is he saw a whale and peeped into what? Into it. He saw himself in the water below. Then number 5, Vasurekha saw himself in the wall. Then number 6, yes, the other animals in the jungle were happy to hear about Vasurekha's death. Okay, so all the students, please do the bookwork and learn this chapter 6. Okay, next class we will do our bookwork B. Okay, till then stay safe, have a nice day.